Okay, pamilya. Papasok na po kami sa may Legoland Hotel. Ito po siya. Katapat lang siya mismo ng park. Yan, yung Legoland Park. So guys, kung pupunta kayo ng Legoland Malaysia, consider nyo na rin mag-check-in. Pagkatapos ng nakakapagod na mga rides dito, diretso pahinga na kayo. So, naano nyo pa yung mga kids. Kasi tignan nyo naman guys, pagpasok mo pa lang, talagang masasabi mong Lego ano talaga siya. Adi, what's the character of this Ninjago?
No, that's a that's not. No.
Ay, hindi daw guys. Yung mga character, yan.
Ninjago is literally a ninja.
Yan guys, yung mga character. Miss Bali, ito pala hindi ito yung harap ng hotel Ito yung sa back door papunta sa sa park. So magli-lift ka dito. Kung pupunta ka sa going up, we're going up. Ayun na mali si ma'am. So guys, sir nakuha na namin yung envelope. Kailangan mo to para mga check-in ka. So kukuha tayo ng room dito sa reception. Papahawak ko muna kay Adi yung Hi. I'd like to get the room. Okay, thank you. And guys, antayin lang natin yung room. Ang daming Lego. Daming Lego.
Mr. Patriarca, is it?
Yes. Yung mga Lego. Grabe. Sobrang detalyado. Even look at this one. Grabe. Yung Lego.
Okay, sir.
Hi.
Look at the second floor, 241.
Second floor, 241.
So
Okay.
for the luggage, you already get the luggage.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
Okay, so this one will help you to set the room.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmine. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay guys, nakakuha na tayo ng room. So check natin. Dire-diretso na natin to guys. Para diretso na natin to ng room tour. Para makita nyo na rin yung room natin. Oh, naglalaro pa si Aya. Where's your sleepers? Where did you... Ang dami niyang friends dito.
Nakikipag-usap pa siya.
Nakikipag-usap pa siya.
Yummy.
Nagbababay na siya. Nagbababay na siya. Bye friends. See you later. Bye friends. Okay, let's go. Let's. Where? Go. Oh, look. Let's dance. We dance, Alden. Oh, walang pamindot. Walang pamindot na.
Anong floor ba?
2. Ano ba yan? Masyadong naaliw sa sa parang disco dito sa sa elevator. Wala nang labasan. Dance, Aya, dance. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Wow, pagpasok mo pa lang dito, guys. Oh, grabe. Ang luwag masyado ng nila, Nung hallway nila.
What number
This
again?
241. Yan. To the adventure. Guys, yung yung sahig dito, carpeted. Tsaka ang laki ng hallway niya, Okay. Where's the room? Okay. Yan si Ate Addison.
Walang design.
Ay, walang design. It's okay. Let's open na. Okay guys, open natin na. Wait lang. Yan. Okay guys. Yan. Okay guys, ito ang room tour natin ngayon ng Legoland room. So dito, makikita nyo meron tayong iron, plancha, tsaka yung syempre kabayo. Pagka magpa-plancha ka, dapat may kabayo. So yan. Dito naman guys, yung CR niya. Tignan niyo yung CR niya guys, ang laki. So may sink. tingnan natin kung malinis. Okay. May bidet. Tapos, pwede ka rin tumawag. May intercom. May towel. Yung towel niya guys, marami. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kung meron pang suklay. Mga amenities, toothbrush. Ang dami rin toothbrush guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 people. Yan. Tissue. Ano to? Cup. Yan. Tapos guys, ang ano pa dito, meron pang bata. Yung sink pang bata, tingnan natin kung malakas ang Yan. Ito pa pala guys. Merong Lego dito. Dito pa sa kabila. Yan. Galing. Okay guys. Dito tayo sa may hanger. Mayroong bathrobe. Pang bata yung dalawa. Pang adult yung dalawa. Tapos, meron din kasamang, siyempre, itong sleepers. Hotel sleepers. May pang bata rin. Galing. Yan. So, guys, dito naman yung may safe, flashlight, here, laundry bags. Yan. Kung gusto niyo magpa-laundry, pwede rito. Dito naman, meron dito. Wala. So, ito naman guys, may kettle. Ito yung amenities niya. May coffee on Nescafe Classic. Yan. Steerer. Tapos, sa taas guys, mayroong pang extra pillows. Ito guys, may extra pillows pa. Tapos, dito naman sa kaliwa, dito, sa side na to, yung bunk bed. Yan. Kung, marami kayo guys, pwedeng to. Meron pa dito sa ilalim na pull-out bed. Kasyang andito. Ilang tao? 5 to 6? Yan. Guys, yung niya, tingnan yung wall niya, parang sa Egypt. May pa. Tapos guys, kung may bata kayo, pwede siya maglaro dito, Yung room na to siguro Egypt-inspired na Lego. Yan. Yung sa Damami, ito yung yung pumatay dun sa Yan, ito to guys, guys, dito naman sa kabila, katapat ng mga bunk bed, mirror, yan, butterfly. Dragonfly pala to. Hindi na kasi ako nakakita ng dragonfly Tapos ito, yung lalagyan ng luggage. So ito, may bolt sila, may game daw to, sabi ni Ate Addison. Tingnan natin mamaya kung ano yung game na sinasabi nila. Ayan. So guys, ito naman yung parang master's bedroom. Yan. There's a TV. Ang laki ng TV guys. Ito, smart TV siguro to. LG, remote, yan yung mga menu, food menu. Pwede ka sigurong padala dito ng food sa parang room service. Dito naman, what's this? A fridge. Yan, yung fridge. Yung tinatawag nilang frigidaire. Refrigerator. Yan. Yung trash can, may upuan, tapos may upuan din dito. So, ito naman, pwede mo siyang buksan. Yan. Yun, yung view ng mall. Yung Mall of Medini. Ito. Yan, dyan kami galing kanina. Yung nag-grocery kami. Yan, may Burger King, may KFC. So, yun. Pwede mo siyang you can open this. You cannot open this kasi nakalock siya. Ano to guys? Nasira ako yata. Ay, hindi. Balik natin. So, balik naman natin ito mamaya. Yan. Balik na siya. So guys, yan. Tapos yung bed. Tignan nyo naman yung bed guys. Egypt-inspired talaga siya. Tingnan taas hanggang baba. Egypt-inspired. Tapos, tignan niya yung lampshade niya. Oh. Oh, di ba? Oh, teka. Yung bed test natin. Natin yung bed test, ha? Ah. Guys, ang lambot. So, yun guys. Ito yung room tour natin, ha? Ng Legoland. Ito pa, oh. Meron pa silang ganitong ano. Oh. Oh. Parang Egypt-inspired talaga siya. Asan yung pyramid? Walang pyramid, ano? Oh, yun lang. Yung pyramid, ang ano, wala. So guys, yun ang ano natin, ang room tour natin. Nakuha namin to guys sa Klook. Gumamit ako ng promo code. Kaya guys, huwag niyong kakalimutan gumamit ang promo code Familia Madriaga Klook. Is F F, Familia Madriaga Klook. Gamitin niyo po yun sa ating Klook na app para magkaroon po kayo ng 5% discount, up to 5% discount. Or minsan guys, i-check niyo siya kasi mas maganda kasi kung magpapabook kayo ng mas maaga. Kasi yung booking na to, naggawa ko siya 3 months or 2 months bago tong book na to. Tapos nung pag-check namin nung last, kung magbo-book ka ng siguro the next week, nasa 16,000 siya, nagdoble. So mas maaga mo siyang i-book, mas mura. Tapos gumamit ka pa ng code natin, mas mura. Dinala lang muna yung stroller kasi meron daw, ayan no, adult explorers, keep out. So you need to solve.
You want to solve it now and then?
Yeah, you solve it now. Yan, so solve daw nila yung treasure chest. Asan ba yung treasure chest dito? Ito yung treasure chest, guys. Ito yung treasure chest. Adi, there's a clue.
Minach. Yeah, come here. There's a clue.
There's a
Look
clue.
for a clue sheet in your room.
Okay.
In your room daw. For a sheet.
Look for
I'm
a
solving it.
clue sheet in your room.
Ano?
Okay. Look for a clue sheet in your room. Okay. Yes.
Gagamit ang best na in the room.
How about the ano?
Okay, I
There.
solved this. There's a little sheet. In the middle one.
How about here?
In your room. Here. Here.
Ano? Na-find mo na, Ate Addison? Find the clue in your sheet.
It's the sheet is under the...
Hmm?
I want to come
No, not there. Baka nandito lang sa taas. Ayan, ano ba yung ano, clue?
Hey, there's a sheet.
May number siguro dyan sa sheet. Ano yun? Clue sheet. Number ba yung hinahanap natin? Maybe 11, Adi? This one?
I don't know.
11. Meron ka ng isa.
That's the same eh. Oh, 12.
Oh, yan, 12.
Where's my iPad?
Oh, 12. Where's the questions? Complete all the questions.
This is the paper.
For the TV yan eh. Loko mo ko eh. Oh yeah, may arrow pa dun, no?
Wala yan. Let's see, ano.
Ano?
Maybe that's for like...
For like... Blue sheets, blue sheets. Try 11.
Here! We have the ano na
What?
questions!
Oh, there's the questions na.
Hindi tatlo.
Oh, brave adventures. Welcome to Great Hidden Tomb of Ancient Rulers of the Lost Kingdom. Hidden in the room are the clues that will unlock the Monkey King's treasure box. Yun. How many orange bugs are there on the bunk bed map?
Bunk bed map? 2.
Yeah. How many orange bugs?
Orange bugs.
Yeah, orange bugs.
2. 2.
Orange bugs.
2?
2.
Wait. 2.
And then 2. Yeah. What's the next question, guys?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 what?
Mommy.
Let me see. What's the question? How many mummies on the bunk bed panels? How many?
4.
4. Okay, 4. 4. Yeah.
What's the bunk bed panel?
Ito yung panel ah. This is the panel.
Oh, there's 1.
1 lang. Oh, 1. Tapos,
What's the TV?
what's the number
Of the cube?
on the cube game in your TV cabinet? What's the number? Yeah. Oh, here. It's getting.
5.
Na.
It's 5. 5.
It's 5. It's 5.
Okay,
It's
last
5.
question.
How many green lizards can you find in the room?
On the floor.
On the floor?
Green
1.
now. 1. It's kasi the snake 1.
Green lizard.
1. That's
Help, Pachi.
2.
What?
There's just 1.
One. Lizard. We're looking for a lizard. Two lizards. Okay. And then,
Yeah.
2 lizards.
2.
Okay.
No, there's the
Oh no. Yeah, no. Clue. 5. May 30 pa. May 40. Okay. Oh, it's 2 na. 2. How many ano ba yan? How?
What's this?
2.
Dito.
What's this? How many orange bugs are there on the bunk bed map? Where's the bunk bed map ba? Where's the bunk bed map? Si Kuya Alden naman.
3. 3, Alden! This is 3.
3 pala yan eh.
I want to change it. You're so invested now. Wala kong susunod. Ito pa, oh.
No, hinda na lang.
Left me na. Okay, you're right na. How many mommies are on the bunk?
Nagkakagulo na sila.
2. This one's 2 talaga. How is it 2? So,
There. Okay, try na. 2.
5.
3, 2, 5.
1.
The lizard. 3, 2, 5. 3, 2, 5.
Wait, let me check.
How about here? Is there a lizard here?
3, 2, 5, 2.
Yeah, this one.
3, 2, 5, 2.
3, 2, 5, 2. Yes, a little spoon for you.
Yes, and it's the
Wow.
one.
Ako na nga.
3, 2, 5, 2.
3 to 5 to daw. You video.
You're the one who's supposed to watch us solve this eh.
There, oh! There! We open it! Open na, guys! Open ang treasure chest! Treasure chest! What? Kinuha nila. It's free! Wow! Let me see.
Batman.
Guys, Batman.
This is 3, 1, 5, 2.
315. Guys, ang code ng ano sa treasure hunt is 3 what? 3152. Yan, para di na kayo mahirapan katulad nila. Ayan.
No, it's different in every room.
Adi, Alden. This one, look. It's free. Free din siya. So guys, yun lang. Nakaka-enjoy lang dito. Meron pa-games pa sila sa Legoland. So, sa gantong room, team room, try nyo 3152 ha. So yun guys, thank you for watching dito sa room tour natin. Kita-kita tayo sa next vlog. It's Pamilya Madriaga. Please like and share and subscribe. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Thank you po.